guys. Who do we have here?
Jump.
And what are we doing today? Jumping out of airplanes with strangers? You trust this guy to throw you out of an airplane?
Yep.
You just met him. You trust me to throw you out?
No.
Any special reason for Jeff today, guys?
My birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, bro.
How old? 54.
54, huh?
Thank you.
I still got it. We get this done.
Have some fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go rock a skydive. Woo! Don't leave me hanging.
Oh.
Here we go. Woo! Let's get in. Let's get up. Let's get out. Go have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. Pull this down. Look at the camera.
Okay. Oh man, yeah.
Let's go again. Turn the left. Pull it down.
That
Yeah,
one.
pull it down. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Hands up. Nice. Up, stand up. Stand up. Nope, stay right there. Woo! Good job. All right, man. Happy birthday. What do you think of that?
Oh man, I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah? Next time I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta pull the golf ball out.
Oh, okay.
High five. What was your favorite part?
Huh? The jump.
Yeah, it was nice to flip with you, bro.
Oh my
Go
goodness.
say hi to her. Ask her how much fun she had.
Rihanna!
This could be you. Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo! You can go say hi to her.